Hey everybody! With 80% of people disengaging from text-heavy content, the message is clear. Having too much text can overwhelm buyers, leading to disengagement and missed opportunities, regardless is it a website or an interactive demo. That's why we introduced the audio feature in Storylane interactive demos. Now you can add voiceovers to provide context and reduce text clutter. You can either upload your own recordings or use our AI-generated voices. Now, let me show you how simple it is. Once you're in your demo, navigate to the step where you want to add audio. Then click on Add VoiceOver. At this point, you can choose to use our AI voice generator with multiple languages and different voices. Once you're all set, simply click Generate VoiceOver. The alternative is to upload your voice recordings. It's really that easy to create an engaging, less text-heavy experience for your audience. That's it. Swing by Storylane, start for free, and let's build killer demos.